Use this meditation to make anyone you desire show you excessive attention and affection. They will give you their entire heart, mind, and soul. This is very intense and it works extremely fast. So please use with caution. And if you don't want to manifest this person back into your life, and if you don't want them to give you an insane amount of attention and affection, please do not do this because you will have a hard time getting them out of your life after this. Now let's begin. Take a few moments and visualize this person. Think about how it would feel if you were with this person right now. They are right in front of you and you begin holding their hand. Now give them a very tight and warm embrace. While still holding them, stare deep into their eyes and feel the chills go up and down your spine as you are staring deep into their soul. Now in this moment, as you are piercing into each other's eyes, they say to you, I am on my way back to you now. I miss you so much. I crave you. I crave your body. I crave your mind. I crave your soul. I am obsessed with you. You are the only thing I can think about all day and all night. I love you. I can't live without you. I am begging on my hands and knees for all of your attention. I am begging for all of your affection. I am begging for all of your love. Please don't deny me. I spend all day combing through your social media just to get a glimpse of you. I will do anything to have you back. I will change anything to be with you. I want to always be with you. My soul craves you. My body craves you. My heart craves you. I can't get these thoughts of you out of my mind. I think I'm addicted to you. And I do not want to kick this addiction. I don't want to let you go. I don't want you to move on from me. I only want to be with you. I only want to make you happy. I want to worship you with all of my love. I want to give you all of me. I have nothing if I don't have you. All the time I am not with you, I am missing you. I cry for you at night when you are not laying beside me. I am deeply in love with you. Deep down inside, I know you only want me too. I am desperate to have you back. My only focus right now in my life is you. Thoughts of you are stuck in my mind. I constantly long for you. You live rent-free in my mind. I will do anything you want if I can just be with you. I will be your property. I I will let you own me. I will be only yours. I can only concentrate on you. You are always on my mind. I crave your body. I crave your heart. I crave your soul. I crave your attention. I crave your love. I am physically and mentally tortured when I am not with you. I crave everything about you. I will let go of anyone who stands in between our love. I cannot stay away from you for too long. I feel sick when I am not with you. Even when I'm sleeping, I can only dream of you. You are my prize. I feel lost without you. You are my lifeline, and I refuse to let you go. Now let their words sink in as you continue to stare deep into their eyes. You see, feel, and hear all of the love that they have for you. It feels so good right now to know that you now own their heart, mind, and soul. The love begins to radiate between the two of you. Your souls are being connected as one. Feel your energy has become one with their energy. It is now done. Type I own their heart, mind, and soul to affirm this meditation. And if you desire even more love, attention, and affection from your person, let me help you by manifesting them for you. I was able to help Talonda get contact from her specific person in just a few hours after months of no contact. And I was able to help Yulia get her specific person to love her again after they blocked and ghosted her. And I can help you too. All you have to do is head to joybyjanell.com or click the link in the description box below, and you can be back with the love of your life in the matter of hours, just like Shantae, or get results like any of my thousands of clients here. I hope you have a day full of love, and I will see you in the next meditation.